Oh, fucking fuel low. Story of my life, mate. It's not actually, it's not the whole story. That'd be kind of sad if it was the entire story. Hello, baby boys and girls. Today is a day that I decided to record. You know, it's been a while. Although I say it's been a while, it's a while between every single recording because it's cold at the moment, and I don't really like recording when it's cold. So I don't, you know. And also, another reason, hold on, let me close the hatch. Another reason I don't like recording is I go on about this every single video, I swear to God, but it's the fucking microphone. It's an ongoing issue in my life, and I don't think it will ever not be an issue in my life. It's like pressing all up in my face. And dude, if they make a mic 3 that is smaller, the only way I would buy it if it's smaller, oh my God, I would jump on that so fucking fast. I would jump upon it like a rabid donkey or some shit, mate. Because that'd be so nice. But you know what, it's going to make me appreciate the mic 3 when it comes out. Unless it's the same size or bigger, in which case, I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck about it. Look at this. You know, it's been raining a lot lately, so the roads are fucked around here. So I have to go quite slowly, which I don't enjoy. You know, one thing, I actually just finished doing a speed awareness course, offered it by the police as an alternative to paying a fine and alternative to getting the points on your license. So I did that instead, because why the fuck wouldn't you? 3 hours, quite boring, a lot of nonsense in there. Because the thing is, right, I don't really speed very often. I don't really do it, you know. And if you ever see me speeding, must be not me or something. Must be like someone else, or maybe it wasn't real. Maybe it was just a video game. Who knows? The reason I got the speeding ticket was it was a fucking variable speed limit, mate. I was going 69 and a 60, and they caught me, bitch. They fucking caught me. But never will that happen again. Usually I'm pretty on it with speed cameras. I know where they are, so I'll slow down for them, like a good citizen. But this time I must have got caught out. Maybe I was overtaking to pass another vehicle, and it caught me. So yeah, I finished the course. It was fine. She was a nice lady that running it. Everyone else seemed nice. It was really in the morning, so I wasn't really talking too much, and had that morning voice type shit. You know what I'm saying? I was like, "Hey guys." Wow, I don't really know what I said, but you know, obviously now that I've woken up a bit more, my voice is out here normal, not like this. There's a person. Thank you, madam, for not, I don't know, I'm guessing it was a woman because they were driving a Citroen, but maybe that's just gender appropriation or stereotyping, but it's kind of true though. Ah shit, my fuel's extra low now. I have 16 miles left. Only have 1 bar. I'll probably have to stop at the fuel station, get some more. There's a glove on the floor. I want to get around this guy. Okay, no, I'm not going to be able to. This guy's actually going kind of fast, so I'm not going to be able to make it around the guy. And I'll just remind everyone, this is all AI generated, none of it's real. And if this was real life, then I would be obeying the speed limits. I'm going to be late again. I can't help myself but just be fucking late to things, to be honest. To be honest with you, it doesn't really look like it needs a light to be there, does it? When you look at what's being protected by the cones, it doesn't really seem like there needs to be cones there when the cones are doing nothing. Know what I'm saying? Anyway, now we're free to do what we want to do. Ride with me, baby, ride with me while I go fast through these roads. Not too fast though. We got safety is my primary concern, even in a bit. It's bike! Yes, sir! He waved at me. Oh, he did the most. He did the most. He did a wave. You can't ask for more than a wave, baby boys and baby girls. Oh, he is bumpy today. There's a motorbike up ahead. I wonder who's riding it. Or more important, I don't really care who's riding it. Ooh, look at that. Nice McLaren. Like 720. I don't really know cars as well. I do bikes. Looks like a 720S or some shit like that. Woo! But no, I want to know who's up ahead though. Not who, again, I reiterate, I don't care about the guy, I just care about the bike. I want to know what the bike is. I'm sure the guy's nice, but I do want to know what the bike is. That is what matters most to me, you know? So yeah, fuck me, I'm getting off topic all the time. I cannot stay on a topic. It is too difficult for me. But I'm going to watch Sonic 1 later. Then I'll watch Sonic 2 another day. And then when Sonic 3 comes out in the cinemas, oh, I'm going to watch it too. It's got Keanu Reeves. It's got Jim Carrey. I can't believe I haven't watched it. I love Jim Carrey. And I cannot believe I have not yet watched any of the Sonic movies. What the fuck? Alright, everyone's slowing down. My favorite activity is slowing down, because you know what slowing down means? It means that we're safer. It means that we're going to be safer. And I'm all about that safety, again, even in a video game. After Sonic the movie, then we are heading down to my friend's boxing match to watch him fight. And we're going to see, you know, this is toughest opponent yet. They have fought before and it was a draw. We'll see what happens the second time around. They're both better fighters. Okay, we're closest to this guy now. What's he riding? What's he riding? What's he riding? I can't tell. I still can't tell. I think it's a 125. Looking at the exhaust, I think it's a 125. No, that... But the exhaust, I don't know. Actually. But I do want to know what this guy is riding. Because... I don't know, I'm intrigued. That's a nice house, isn't it? What the fuck? I've never seen that house before, actually, but that's nice. Hell yeah. Okay. The tail light doesn't give too much away. Okay, it's a 125. Yeah, it's a 125. I can confirm that much. See, now I feel like pressured to go catch up to that guy. You know what I'm saying? There we go, slip into the gap. Oh, he's going around. Look at that, there's a bunch of people. That's kind of dumb because it's a blind corner, but, you know, good for him. Oh, yes, sir. Oh, that's been a nice bike, man, nice bike. I'm gonna nice. Yeah, fuck the tire leak cracking. I don't know. Yeah, it's dirty. What? 660. I got 10 up on you, man. That's what I'm talking about. Bit dirty though. I keep cleaning it, but it keeps getting dirty. So sad times, man. Fuel fucks me too many times. Oh look, the ocean looks fucking barren today. What the fuck? Does it not look barren? Oh my god, see that? There's like a spotlight on the water. That's kind of cool, isn't it? Oh, this planet's actually kind of sick. Doesn't the ocean looks really just looks low down, mate? Gotta give it some water, top it up a little bit. Let's play with each other, guys. So right now it's 120. I think I'm gonna get to my dad's for 140. Now that will be actually kind of impressive if I do make it for that time. So if I make it for that time, then you gotta leave a like, leave a subscribe, leave a comment, all that type of shit, you know? I just want to remind everyone that this is completely AI generated. Completely AI generated. None of this is fucking real. Alright? These numbers are arbitrary. These numbers are completely arbitrary. They don't mean anything. In fact, it may say miles an hour. It's actually kilometers an hour. Doesn't matter anyway because it's because this is not real. This is not a real thing. This is AI generated. AI has come a long way, as you can see. Let's see. Is the police behind me at all? Can't see him. That's fine. That's fine. I have to move my mirror with my hand. Oh my god. Okay, we have to go 60 now, guys. You have to go 60. It's a variable speed limit. We have to go 60. Alright, I literally just did a course for this, so you know what? I'm gonna go into this lane so I don't feel pressure from the motherfuckers over there. Oh no, I'm gonna say this one actually. Don't worry. And then we're gonna go down to 60. Chill. We're gonna chill. We're gonna chill. Oh, it's gone down to 50. I'm gonna shoot myself. So this is done automatically. The variable speed limits, they are calculated automatically. And basically, how they work is that it detects how fast cars are going in between other cars. It detects like the distance between them, and then it calculates what speed it should choose, because if people are going too close to each other through the gates, then it lowers it, because the fucking phantom, it's basically, the variable speed limits are there because drivers are shit, and drivers drive way too close to each other, and then which causes, and then when one person brakes, the next person's like, oh shit, I have to brake. If you're that shit at driving, don't go that close to people. Then they have to brake so hard, and then it causes backup in the back, because everyone brakes a little bit more than the other person, instead of everyone just driving at a nice smooth pace. If everyone just left a gap to each other, we wouldn't have this problem. Anyway, we're up to 60. The gods have blessed us with a 10 miles an hour increase. Yeah, that's the reason they're in there. So if they get everyone to a kind of more constant speed, like 60 or 50, everyone in theory should be driving a more smooth pace, which helps traffic flow. I'm gonna do a launch here. Do a launch. Oh no, I've got traction control, fuck's sake. It's gonna ruin it. I can still do a little bit. Yeah, a little bit. See, the thing is, right, the traction control came on earlier, but it didn't need to. Oh man, that's the thing. The new Trident, and the only thing that's new about it is the electronics. That's what they've changed. They've changed the electronics. They've added a sport mode, as well as fucking traction control talk, but whatever. They added a sport mode to it, which fucking decreases the traction control, because I wouldn't mind having it on. It's just so obtrusive. Holy moly, it's so obtrusive. I just don't like it. That's why I ride always with it off, but I wouldn't mind having it on. You can come. You can come in. Good sir. See, I'm so nice. What the fuck? I'm the nicest guy in the entire world. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and filter anyway. Guy with the bike. Guy with a fucking moped. Kill myself if I see a moped. I hate them. They're a bane to my existence. Filtering masterclass. See that? Okay, so I said we were gonna get to my dad's house at about 1:40, but it's gonna be probably 1:36 that I get there, which is nice. That's good. I'm ahead of schedule. Yeah, I want to get an exhaust. I don't want to seem inferior to other bike riders, because I feel inferior when I hear them. Even the fucking 125 boy on the KTM Duke 125, lovely 125 by the way, even that guy had a fucking, see, oh my god, I know I could get off track, but this fucking Renault that was like an F900 or what? Renault Megane. It is a Megane. Oh, it's just like a different style. Yeah, Renault Megane. It's been there for ages, mate. That what? And they're not gonna take it? Maybe he's just parking it. I don't know. Maybe he owns the land. Do you think he could? And do you think he does? Do you think he owns that land? That'd be pretty cool. Oh my gosh! Wait, who? Hold on. Okay. Look at this nice bike. Oh my gosh! It's a cruiser, so I have no fucking clue what it is, but nice bike. Hell yeah. I'm gonna bring my visor up for this. Can I? Oh, there we go. I feel like he's, I don't know, I just get the vibe. You can agree with me or not agree with me. It's fine. But I feel like he's just riding it for the first time. Like this is his first ride on this bike. You know what I'm saying? I don't know why I get that vibe, I just do. Maybe not, that was pretty confident. Yo! Yeah, it's a nice bike, Bro, he's like, who the fuck is that? Is he chasing me? He's immediately started speeding up a little bit. That's a really cool bike, I really like it. I have no idea what it is, but it's a cruiser of some kind. So, I dig it. Anyway, we made it. So, you know what that means? It means I'm going to go and say bye-bye to you. And kisses, mate. Kisses and fucking hugs as well. And you know what? If you don't want a hug from me, go hug someone else. I bet there's loads of people that want it. Oh my god, do you see this? See how fucking muddy it is, mate? I clean it and it just gets muddy immediately, so what's the point? I'll clean it eventually, but look at this mirror. Anyway, yeah, I love you so much. Bye-bye.